Hey, what's going on? This is Eric Cortina with Texas Barndominiums. So I'm going to show you today the difference between the metal building screws. There's actually two types of screws that we use on our Barndominiums. On the walls we use a conventional self-tapping screw. This one works great for walls. However, for the roof we use what's called a stack screw. So there's actually a difference between these two screws. On the conventional screw, the washer is actually exposed when the screw is tight. So these sack screws that we use, these lifetime screws, the big difference is in the head design. These have almost like an umbrella head, so when you tighten it all the way, the umbrella bottoms out, which prevents you from over tightening the screw. The other thing that it does is it protects the washer from squirting out. So when this screw is tight, the washer is not exposed. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration on both of these screws so that you can see what happens when you tighten them. It'll be obvious as to which one is the better screw. I already have a hole pre-drilled because this is pretty thick, so I didn't want to break a screw while I was trying to show you this. So first I'm going to show you the conventional screw and what it looks like when you tighten it. Okay, here we go. You see how that washer squirted out all the way around? As you can see, once the sunlight hits it, a few years down the road, that washer will rot out and then you're gonna have a leak. Now I'm gonna show you what it's like with a lifetime screw. So as you can tell, it's also very tight, but you can see there's no washer squirting out anywhere. Let me take it out and show that there's a washer in there. See, there's a washer in there. So there's no tricks. I'm gonna do another one. Can you see the washer? All right, so there's the washer, and I'm gonna tighten it. See how tight I'm getting? So you can see by the head how tight I'm getting it, but as you can see, the washer's not squirting out at all. Here you can see the damage that was done to the washers by tightening the screw. This is a conventional screw, and you can see that washer's totally destroyed. This is the sack screw that we use on the roof, and you can see the washer is almost intact. So huge difference that it makes with the head design. Well, there you go guys, it's really that simple. If you use the correct screw, you will never have issues on your roof. If you use a conventional screw, you will have issues, as you can see, because of the washer it's going to be exposed. Now these conventional screws, they work well on the walls. You're never gonna have an issue. On the roof, always use the correct screw. Well, that's all I got for today. See you next week. We are Texas Barndominiums.